Sorry about that. Someone was clonking around with cups and everything and making a noise. Right, I'm recording now. So if Dennis, if you can give me, I'm using the Antron 99 now. So if you can give me a report and tell me what the signal is. Back to you.
Yes, putting out a signal, steady 9, a 9 figure on my sentiment Lincoln. Yeah, and it's quite understandable, fairly clear, with a little bit of background noise.
Right, switch over to 2. Right, now I am transmitting on the Gain Master. If you can give me a report now, please. Over.
Yes, on the Game Master, I seem to receive you exactly the same as for the Antron, the 9, exactly on the 9, and there's no change in your modulation or quality of speech.
Okay, that's good. Okay, if I may, I'll just take it over to Peter. Peter, copy.
Yeah, copy, Pen.
Right, so how are you receiving me now, Peter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is on Gain Master. Back to you.
Yeah, you give me £7 Radio 5, good clean audio, no problems at all.
Right. Go on then. Cool. Right, now we've come back on the Antron 99 now. So how is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How are you copying me now? Over?
No change, £7 Radio 5, audio and signal strength, exactly the same, Roger.
Yeah, Roger. Well, it's very strange, very, very strange this is, because on the Antron, your signal is slightly higher than the Gain Master. However, it's bringing in a lot more noise. Where there's no noise with the Gain Master, there's quite a lot of crackle and noise with the Antron, but it's a stronger signal. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger, I understand, yeah, so
That's the Gain
slightly
Master.
off, to be honest.
Okay, I've gone back to the Gain Master now. So we'll just for our viewers, we will just get you to talk again so we can listen. Back to you.
Yeah, Roger, yeah, back to you. Yeah, sorry to do this, my dinner's just turned up on the end of my bed, so I'll leave you with Dennis, and John's on the side somewhere. I'm going to go and eat my dinner, and I'll catch you when I finish.
Okay, mate, enjoy your dinner. Cheers for now. Yeah, John, are you there?
Yes, got your pen, go.
Okay, John, how you? I'm on the Gain Master now. How are you receiving me? Over.
Yeah, you're fractionally over S6, attenuated this end to get you down somewhere off the end stop, to be honest. Yes, you're just a fraction over S6, though.
Right, and I've just switched over to the Antron now, which was a slightly lower signal, but a tiny bit. With the Gain Master, the needle was sort of sitting on the end of the 9. With the Antron, the needle is sitting on the middle of the 9. How are you receiving me now? Over.
Yeah, well, there's hardly anything in it, but I can see
Switch over to the Gain Master.
that the thinness of a human hair, less than the thickness of the needle on the meter, and the audio
Go back to the Antron.
stays exactly the same. Either antenna, over.
Yeah, that is very well put, and that's exactly how I would describe it. I would say that unless you are looking for any difference, you wouldn't notice it. Would that be a fair assessment, over?
Yes, if you hadn't have asked me to compare the antennas, just as a quick glance at the meter, I would have assumed it was the same. But I think maybe the Gain Master is just got a hardly noticeable gain on the meter on the signal strength. Unfortunately, I bought one. Yes, it turned up yesterday. So anyway, it's got a much wider bandwidth. So if nothing else, although I don't need a wider bandwidth to be honest, from the lower end of 26 to the higher end of 27, it does need. So the Antron 99 would have been sufficient, but it's been up there a number of years now, and it needs to come down
Switch
in
over
any
to the other
case to
one.
be checked over. And whilst I got it down,
Gain
I just
Master.
about put up a new antenna. Over.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything. I wouldn't worry about it. I think the Gain Master is a very nice antenna. It's very well constructed. I think it'll last a long time. So, I'm not disappointed. I bought mine at all. And like I say, I use mine on the amateur band, so that benefits me. And you never know, you might take your ticket and use it on the amateur band, 10 meters. Whereas the Antron, the SWR, is very good on the mid block and this block, but it's no good on the 10-meter band. So, at the end of the day, 6 of one and half a dozen of the other, really. Okay, chaps, sorry to hold you up. I'll let you get back to your conversation, and I'll process this video and put it up on YouTube. Cheers for now, guys. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, cheers, Pen. Yes, yes, I'm sure the Game Master will be. What I'm hoping is that it's going to bring in less noise. I'm not quite sure where my noise is coming from. I've got a permanent S6, S7 of noise, and occasionally it might drop down to 4. But I can't remember the last time that my needle dropped back to 0 on the meter on receive. So I'm just hoping that the Game Master will. I don't know why, but I'm just hoping it'll reduce the noise a bit, or maybe even completely. The noise could be generated within the antenna. Who knows? But I don't know. Maybe the screw joints have got some muck in there because I didn't feel them, and there's a bit of high resistance now across the screw joint. I don't know really, but I won't know until I compare the two. So yeah, okay, Pen, get that on YouTube, and I'm not quite sure how long it'll take to get it on there, but I'll have a watch of that later. Over.
Yeah, well, I can tell you now, the Gain Master is definitely less noisy than the Antron. The Antron is considerably noisier than the Gain Master. So whereas I wouldn't say there's much difference in the signal strength, it is considerably quieter. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, Pen. Well, that's good news, and that's what I was hoping for. But you say that your Antron 99 is bringing in quite a bit of noise. So I guess they all do. And I've got a feeling that
Hang on a minute.
worldwide the band is noisy in any case. So yeah, okay then. Well, I'll let you get that on YouTube, and nice to talk to you. I'll catch you later. 7-3.
Yeah, cheers for now, mate. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you later on. Bye bye for now. Right,
Yeah, John.
I'll go channel 2. Right, what's that on now? That's on the 4. That's on the Antron. No, the Antron. So we've got about signal, just less than 4 of noise. Now go to the other one. That's considerably less. So that's the Gain Master now, just about 2.5 of noise. Go back to the other one. Yeah. So there we have it. The Antron is not really much more efficient when it comes to signal strength, depending on who you're talking to. Slightly less efficient when I was talking to someone 5 miles away, but not to someone 15 miles away. But it definitely brings in more noise than the Gain Master. So there you go. That is the difference between the Sirio Gain Master and the Antron 99. The Antron 99 is a smidgen lower than my Gain Master, by the way, but they're almost the same height. So there we go, folks. Make your own mind up which one is best.